Hi, Becky here at Amber Marie & Company. Wednesday bow time. Let's make a bow. I got my little red and white gingham on. I'm all things patriotic for summertime. Let's make a patriotic bow. Look what I chose. Look at this cute red and white edged star, navy blue. And what I love about her, look at her backside. Woo-hoo. Isn't that cute? Bonus. Look at this red, glittery. How patriotic is she? Now you want to hear a little secret? I went to the ribbon room and pulled her out of the Christmas collection. Santa's going to share today. But look, it's perfect, don't you think? All things sparkly and glittery. It's fabulous for that because look how she complements this white, red, white, and blue star on a white background field. She's got a little glitter in her. So see, it works. Just because she was in the Christmas pile doesn't mean anything. So, there. And then let's finish with a little 1-inch blue background with a white star and a little red edge. So I think she's going to be fun. And we'll never know until we start. Let's go. And I think I've said it before. I love it when you open up a ribbon and you get a little bonus treat. You know, this could be a fun one. Very loopy because they're all 2.5 inchers at the most. You notice I don't even have a 4-inch in here. But I think what I'm going to do today, do 3 loops. And I'll show you why. Now let's trim that. Now then, remember I wanted to do something fun with that stripe, so let's bring it up here for a tail. Yeah, look at that. Cute. I like it. Do you like it? Tell me down below. Okay, so I'm going to end up with 2 here, 1 there. So let's start this direction so that I end up with 2 and 1. Again, I don't twist. I just bring over instead of twisting to bring that up, reducing the bulk in the middle of my fingers there. Actually, that kind of looks good too. Let's just leave it at 2. Yeah, kind of happy with that. No rules. But she does get an extra tail. How cute is that? Already. Now then, here's our glitter, which has that pin. Remember, I've told you before, any ribbon you find with a pin in it, it's just another little indicator that you're dealing with some really good quality ribbon. Okay, let's move on to this red. I mean, she kind of says sparkling firecracker. And you know what? We're going to stop at 2 loops too, because I think it's enough once I get them all spaced out and get the tails in there. So I can direct her up there, 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 there. Now let's go back in and add this because it really kind of, I like the edging on that guy. You know what? Wait a minute. I'm going to take him out. You know why? This kind of has more of a vintage vibe to it. With the whites not being really white, it's kind of vintage and a little more antique-y looking. All of this is cleaner, whiter, brighter, so I don't want to dull it down. Although we could say, here's our new world, here's our old 1776, and we're visiting both places. But today I think I'm going to keep it cleaner. So let's go back in here and add our little bump. I think we got enough stars going, so I'm not offended by that. We've definitely represented. Again, edit as you go. You start doing it and you go, wait a minute, back up. Zip tie her. Okay, let's cinch her little belly in. Superfluous zip tie. Fresh and fluffed. I like the sparkle in that little star there. The light's gonna play with that nicely. Just a couple more. Ready for the unveiling. I mean, she's classic, simple. Put a little curl in those guys a little bit. I think she says, Happy birthday, America.